Right with you.
This is Talk. Suspects no longer cooperating,
Down on the
and they may have
ground!
planted
Provide
traps
support.
on the
Hands
premises.
up above your head!
Move with extreme caution.
I got cuffs.
Dynamic movement. Move and clear.
Breaching! Open it on the left.
Looks clear over here, boss.
Get on the ground! Now! Hands up!
Fall in.
Police, hands up!
Or else what? You gonna shoot
Police,
me?
get
I don't
down!
want any
You
problems
couldn't pay
with you
me
guys.
$1 million
Secure
to
'em.
stay here.
I'll get him ready. Don't worry, we're gonna get you out of here.
Talk. Good to
Talk
go.
to element. Trailer's ready.
Stay on me.
I got you.
Get on the ground now! Get down now! Get down!
Enter and clear.
Police, hands on your head!
Cover this.
Hands up, asshole! Now! Police, don't fucking move! Police, get down on the ground! Drop your weapons! Don't move! Police! Hands up!
Put it down. Hands up.
Police, get your hands up!
Don't shoot! I don't want to die!
Let me see those hands!
Cuff him.
Got him. Got them all zipped up.
Element to talk.
Element.
Talk to
One in
element.
One in custody.
Get the fuck back here!
Stack up.
I think I'm gonna throw up.
C2 flashing clear.
Good to go. Cover your ears, boys.
Ready and explosive. Setting it.
Hands up! Do it now!
Your weapon. Drop the gun. Let me see those hands.
Drop your weapon now! PD, don't move!
This is Talk. Continue with your mission.
Roads around the building have been barricaded by police, and anyone within the radius has been...
Restrain him.
First position. Broken last. Clear sight line to one.
Got them all zipped up.
Secure him.
Tonight on LS News, a horrifying scene downtown.
Talk. Weapons safe.
Reported. Confirming evidence secured.
Behind, open fire on pedestrians from a penthouse suite. Our coverage continues on what we now believe
Talk. Weapons
Talk to lead.
located.
Roger, entry team.
Move.
Copy.
Breaching!
Going in. Got an opening here.
Nothing here, sir. Move in and clear.
Get down on your knees, hands,
Check everything.
On my
See
6.
any more of them?
hands on your head, move!
Keep top.
Brave, this is Talk.
Don't worry, we're with the LSPD. Looks like we've got a door that's ready to go. Talk.
Talk. Continue with objective.
They're down!
Arrest him.
Restrained.
Evidence good to go.
Suspect isn't going anywhere.
What? You want a medal?
Disable it.
Disarming. Made it safe.
You okay?
Watch the fire!
Talk here. Proceed with your mission.
Gonna pack it up.
Secured.
On me.
On your 6.
LSPD, don't move!
Fall in behind me.
You got point.
Provide support on me.
On you.
Arrest him.
I'll get him ready.
I got you. Don't worry.
Good to go.
Police to talk is a lie.
Civilian ready for
Roger,
transport.
trailer's inbound.
On me. Move.
Right with you.
Provide support.
Going into
Fall in.
behind you.
Cuff him.
Cuffing. Good to go. Police, get down!
Move in. Clear the roof. Move in and clear it.
Keep an eye out. Oh my God! Down now!
We got a suspect here in the
EMTs and trailers are standing by.
Everything's gonna be okay.
It hurts my brain.
Good to go.
Keep going. Please, this is Talk.
What's going on?
Arrest him.
I'll get him
They're gonna
ready.
kill us, aren't they?
Do you have anything on you? Good to
I don't
go.
know what's going on. I'm staying here with my wife. You have to find her.
I hope you croak, you piece of...
Lead to talk.
Talk
Weapons
to entry
safe.
team. Roger.
Entry team to talk.
Talk
Civilian
reporting.
incapacitated.
Stabilize them and we'll send EMTs.
Element to talk. Weapons secure. Stay on me.
I'm with you.
Don't just leave me here.
Disabling now.
I need my pills.
Are you gonna take me away or what?
Talk. We got weapons here.
Talk.